Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another sneaker unboxing. So today, Commonwealth opened their new flagship branch in Powerplant Mall in Rockwell, Makati City. And it happened to coincide with their release of the Nike React Element 87, which is a very much awaited sneaker here in the Philippines. So I went in there at 9 a.m. thinking I was still early, but so happened I was already number 179 at that time. Anyways, I gutted it out for 7 hours, got what I wanted, braved the horrendous Saturday traffic here in Metro Manila going back home, and now here we are. So let's open this baby up. Okay, so this is the Nike React Element 87. I got a men's size 9. And the product number is AQ1090004. So the actual colorway is wolf gray and black thunder blue. So here it is. Dun, 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 dun. And there we have it. Okay, so this is the Nike React Element 87. Its most defining feature is the translucent upper, and there are several colors in this shoe. On this shoe, we have orange, we have blue, we have black, and then we have the white React midsole here. So here's the view from the top, the view from the side, the view from the medial side, the view from the back, and at the bottom, and that's it. There are no other freebies that comes with this box, so all you get is the shoe. Anyways, this is enough for me. Okay, so just a quick compare before I end this, right? So I got this as size 9 US, and the Element 55 I got the size 9.5 US. So just to compare between the two, so the size is almost similar. So that's my quick unboxing of the Nike React Element 87. So the question is, will I ever line up for a hyped release again? Maybe, but not in the near future. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. MC here, signing off. Peace.